sports, and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Watch EVOSparks' other diecast videos. EVOSparks Diecast. Subscribe now.